Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allah has sent 124,000 prophets, out of which one was Hazrat Shis alayhi salam, the son of Prophet Adam, and Hawa, Eve alayhi salam. Prophet Shis alayhi salam was the second Nabi and Rasul of Allah. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam is also known as Set. His name means gift, as he was given to Adam and Hawa as a replacement for their deceased son, Abel. Habil was killed by his brother Cain, out of jealousy and resentment. Allah warned Cain not to let his jealousy consume him, but he refused to listen and committed the first murder in human history. According to some historians, he was born in 3874 BC in present-day Lebanon and died in 2962 BC at the age of 912 years. At the time of his birth, Prophet Adam alayhi salam was 130 years old. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam was a righteous man who obeyed Allah's commands and taught them to his brothers, nephews and other descendants of Adam. After Hazrat Adam's alayhi salam death, Hazrat Shis alayhi salam ruled over the children of Hazrat Adam with justice and brought unity among them. However, Satan continued to plot against Hazrat Shis alayhi salam and his people. One of Hazrat Shis alayhi salam brothers, Cain, was known for his aggression, greed and arrogance. He decided to leave the others and go off on his own. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam, following Allah's instructions, avoided mixing with Cain and his descendants. In order to continue misguiding Cain and his people, Shaitan disguised himself as a young apprentice and worked for a blacksmith. He designed a flute and other musical instruments, which attracted Cain and his people. They became so engrossed in the music and continued to become more distant from Allah's commands. This led to free mixing between genders and eventually adultery and fornication. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam continued to remind them of their duties as Muslims, but Satan continued to lead them astray. The descendants of Hazrat Shis alayhi salam and Cain remained separate, with Hazrat Shis alayhi salam descendants following the teachings of Allah and Cain's descendants falling into disobedience and corruption. According to one tradition in Sahih Ibn Hibban, a total of 50 divine scrolls, Sahifas, were revealed to Prophet Shis alayhi salam. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam had 32 sons and 23 daughters, but we know the name of one of his sons, Anush ibn Shis, who was also among the ancestors of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Shis alayhi salam died in the age of 912 years in Lebanon. There is a village after the name of Hazrat Shis alayhi salam in Lebanon. The grave or the tomb of Prophet Shis might be located within the village Nabi Shis. Jazakallah. Narrated by Sabeen Abbas. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the updates till next time. Thank you.